This is a Golf Mark 8 SOS telemanaged control module. The module gives trouble, but there is a TPA for this backup aerial going faulty, along with the software update to try and rectify the issue. So if we click into here, B2004, the TPA, down to our text information, and basically if we go down here, it gives you two different numbers, so there's two different repair kits depending on the vehicles. Now ours is a Golf, so if I look here, it should end in 058D, which is this one. You just get a screw and a replacement aerial. This is essentially a replacement backup aerial. Goes on here. So so we'll change this over here now and refit it to the vehicle. I do have another video there showing you the location of this if you want to. I'll actually attach a link. And once you do this, you also need to do a software update to the control module. So I'll screw this in now and refit it to the vehicle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.